Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give you 3 simple things that you can kind of think about or implement into your life starting today to help take command of your life. The first thing that I'm really going to suggest to everybody is to have a clean living space and an organized workspace. The cleaner and more organized you are, the easier it is to kind of take command and make decisions, and less stressed you are with the chaos. So spend a little time today or this weekend or whatever cleaning up your room, cleaning up your house, getting your office organized. I promise you it's worth it, and it's something that you can do today that will help you feel just a little bit better. The second thing that I really suggest you do is get a notebook, or you can try MyFitnessPal, or there's some other apps out there as well. Track what you're eating for a week, just a week, 7 days. You can even do it just for 5 days. I guarantee you're going to be surprised by how much sugar you eat, how many bad carbs. I don't want to say bad carbs because they're delicious and I love them and I eat them all the time, but white bread or processed foods or whatever. But you're going to be surprised by how much you actually eat, and I guarantee you're going to be really surprised by how few vegetables or fruit or healthy food that you eat. The general public, and I'm not trying to throw you all on a bus, but we're all pretty bad about that. And the thing that changed the game for me, the thing that made me really focus on changing my lifestyle and getting healthy and eating completely different, was tracking what I was eating and really starting to understand what I was actually putting in my mouth, opposed to just kind of eating whenever I felt hungry and whatever was available. So again, you can use MyFitnessPal. You can use just a general notebook and write things down, but literally write down, for breakfast I ate eggs, bacon, and a smoothie. For lunch I had a Coke, French fries, and a burger. For dinner I had chicken, spaghetti, and iced tea, or whatever it is. Every single day. Do that for a week and your mind's going to be blown. Once you've done that, assess what you're eating and start seeing if there's little things that you can do to change that bad habit, or change what you're actually eating. Supplement it for something a little bit more healthier. And I will go into a little bit more deep dive on how you can do all that stuff at a later date. So keep an eye out for nutrition and healthy eating and tracking your food. So anyways, my third tip for today is to understand that everything is a choice. Everything you do in life is a choice. I am making a choice right now to make this video and to give you these tips. You're making a choice right now to listen to me, hopefully all the way through till the end, and then you'll share it with your friends and family. Please, thank you. But everything we do is a choice. We have the choice to be unhappy or happy. We have the choice to get angry or let things go. We have the choice to get up and go to work every day, or stay home in our PJs and watch Netflix. We have the choice to love our children and tell them we love them every day, or to be too busy and to focus on something else. We have the choice to do something nice for our significant other, or to still be angry at them for something that happened a month ago, or a year ago, or 10 years ago. Every single thing you do in life is your choice. So be very, very careful about what choices you're making, and understand how much power you have with them. If you want to take command of your life, if you want to heal and you want to find lasting happiness, pay very close attention to the choices you're making on a day-to-day basis. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want more information. As always, I'm here for you guys, and I'm so truly grateful for you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.